This is how to animate, and today I wanted to help you how to animate in flipaclip. Sorry, the mic might not be very good because I'm recording on my phone right now, but yeah, so you might hear some movement, but sorry. Sometimes, yes, I do have to warn you guys. Sometimes my English slips, and I sometimes say Hungarian words. I am really sorry already, but yeah. By the way, it's 7:26, but I don't have first class, so this will be a pretty short video. So yeah, number 1, don't try too hard, because don't try too hard. As you see, like, okay, here is the first, here is the second. Look, it's not the smallest, because here is this, okay, and here is this. This has this big difference, and if we go here, okay, no, sorry, here, and is it here and here, you see there is kind of a bigger changes. And here, okay, here we are, and it goes up and then goes down. See, you don't need to try so hard always, because my animation started out really bad, like really bad, because I tried to make it too live, too animated, you know, like here is, and like here is, like there will be the other frame, so you don't need to try so hard. First, draw just the normal things. I personally like to here put the head, body, hair and face in a different layer. As you see, there is the head, because yeah, and as you already saw, I added audio. If you remove the body, okay, if you remove, okay, oh my god, she's bald, okay, she's bald, see, and the layer 4 is, yeah, also layer 4, I also use that for text. Number 3, as you see, I added audio, which is a few times, as you see, which is kinda hard to achieve in normally. Sorry, my Hungarian slip, vagy English slipped up again. But yeah. Number 4, lip sync. Well, for this character I didn't really, as you saw, as she says hello. Okay. Look, as she says hello. Also, I got a few things wrong, but that's just a sketch, and yeah, because I think you guys saw it. But look, it's mixing up in the other layer, because I didn't notice, because I was doing this. Okay, but let's see here. As you see, this is more complicated than the last. Well, to articulate normally, I don't take it too far. Wait 1 second. Okay, it will be easier. Wanna help me? Need help? As you see, it's not the easiest part, but if you figure it out, it can be really easy. Look, her eye is like this because she saw that she was staring at her. And she started, wanna help me? The lines to wanna help me. And as you see, the lip sign goes like this. And I did this because if we put it over our mouth, they wanna help me now. If, like, let's see the first word, wanna. If we place it with, like if we place our hands over our mouth, we see it that it kind of feels the same. Yes. And I used this bit of the tool. Oppa. Wait, I was on the wrong layer the entire time. What the fuck? Okay, so like you see this. And I just did this, like this, and 1 pixel. Look, it's the exact same. Then I did this. It's kinda weird, but yeah. Here I did like this and this same. See? Here I just finished the help me because I was too lazy. Yeah. Okay, this is way complicated, but this looks way cooler. So we see cuz, the word cuz, and see her mouth moving like this. If we articulate really well, we can feel it. And yeah, here I have to draw it again, the frame I have to draw it again. Look. And here is a smaller frame. So if we articulate really well, it's about here, or here. No, not here, here. In the help, in the word help. Okay, as we see, I did it like this and like this. Oops. Here. It's still the exact same. And I just barely had any idea what I was doing here. And see, look how it looks. Wanna help me? Need help? Wanna help me? Need help? Okay, let's take a closer look. Wanna help me? Need help? Look, it's kind of, let's say, wanna help me? Need help? Let's say that it's kind of bubbly. I don't know, we can call it like that, but yeah, as you can see, this is nearly these 3 seconds. So I used 10 fps per second, and yeah, look how it looks. I just had to stop. Okay, I need to go now. Sorry, bye.